Here, Blake Don level crossing in Worcestershire with Cardiff. Right. I do know what the service is because I was gonna look on the other side and then look and see what time this train's up, but no, I don't know. It must be a storage service maybe. Do you know what this crossing actually has? I'm sure you know. Always this time, every crossing has a drop number light, which is this one right here. Trains to Platform 1, trains to Kidderminster, Worcester, Platform 1, over crossing, trains to Birmingham, Platform 2. This is Will Scriven's logo as well, I think, as well. Flushing Red Productions. It is something. There it is right there. It's an unstop. Zedo and YO. Whatever. I think that said Worcester, I think. And there we go. Zedo will be 1 of 1310, but don't know why that one didn't count. Thank you guys, see you next time.